Hey there, looking to upgrade your kitchen? A great sink can make a world of difference. From functionality to style, the perfect kitchen sink can enhance both your cooking experience and your home's aesthetic. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best kitchen sinks that will add value and convenience to your kitchen setup. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5 is the Ruvati Veniso 30-inch Workstation Kitchen Sink. Ruvati's Veniso 30-inch Workstation Kitchen Sink comes highly recommended as the best overall pick by kitchen designer Sandra Brannick, CPA, Active Expert Kitchen Designs. The sink features a 1-inch, 2.5% slope on the bottom that encourages water and food debris toward the 3.5-inch drain opening, which is offset and can be installed on the left or right side of the sink. Made from 16-gauge stainless steel, the sink will not rust or stain, and it has a commercial-grade brushed finish that makes it durable and easy to clean. The workstation-style sink features a foldable drying rack and a removable cutting board made of scratch and water damage-resistant wood that fits seamlessly into the integrated lip of the sink's top edge. The sink requires an undermount installation, which means it needs to be installed under the counter. It can be used with any standard garbage disposal unit, and cutout templates and mounting clips are included in the box to make it easier to cut your counters to match. Compatible with a minimum base cabinet of 33 inches, the sink comes with Ruvati's limited lifetime warranty. Some reviewers said the sink is susceptible to minor scratches. At number 4, we have the Kraus Core Workstation 27-inch Kitchen Sink. Even in small spaces, too small a sink can compromise functionality. The Kraus Core Workstation 27-inch Kitchen Sink is designed like a workstation, and it includes accessories like a dish drying rack and a bamboo cutting board. Its integrated ledge was designed so you can perform kitchen tasks like chopping or washing dishes without using any counter space. The single bowl sink is deep enough to wash large cookware and bakeware, and it is made from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, a durable material resistant to dents and corrosion. The sink was designed with a sloped bottom to help water and debris flow toward the rear offset drain. It is fully insulated with Kraus proprietary noise dampening technology to help minimize noise and vibration. A dishwasher-safe, stainless steel bottom grid protects the bottom of the sink and helps elevate dishes to help them dry. And the included drain assembly with strainer helps keep your drain clear. Coming in at number 3 is the Kohler Task Kitchen Sink Stainless Steel 33-inch Workstation. The Kohler Task Kitchen Sink is aptly named its roomy and comes with useful accessories like a bamboo cutting board, silicone mat, strainer, and colander to help you get things done. Plus, Kohler is a name you can trust. They've been manufacturing plumbing products since 1873. I like Kohler sinks. They're well made and have a lot of different styles to choose from, says Chris Alexakis, an interior designer and the founder of Cabine Select. He adds that stainless steel is always a good option because it's easy to care for and doesn't show stains. Kohler's Task Sink offers a 9-inch depth and 2 faucet holes, which means you can easily incorporate a sprayer attachment or other adaptable kitchen faucet. This sink is a great pick if you're looking for space, versatility, and clean lines. But keep an eye out for any grime or buildup trapped in the silicone mat that comes with the sink, as its grooved notches and cutouts can trap food particles and other messes. Taking the number 2 spot is the Kraus Standart Pro Undermount Sink. Yep, we're serving up another stainless steel sink. The material is popular with good reason. Stainless steel or not, Kraus Standart Pro is a stellar choice if you're looking for a deep-set undermount sink. It delivers clean lines. Once installed. Undermount simply means that the edges of the sink are tucked under the countertops rather than overlapping, and it's nice and deep at 10 inches. The package also includes a bottom fit grid and drain cover for added versatility. Plus, there's plenty of room to work in this spacious basin. However, if you're set on a double basin setup, Kraus does offer this sink in a 60/40 double bowl variation. It's nearly twice the cost though, so choose wisely. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sinkology Lange Farmhouse Copper Sink. Sinkology's Lange Copper Sink is a stunner. It's made from 17-gauge copper and designed in the popular farmhouse style with a spacious basin. Unlike sinks made from stainless steel or stone materials, copper ages naturally and will take on a unique patina with use. This sink is perfect for anyone looking for a truly one-of-a-kind showpiece. Accordingly, the Lange isn't cheap, but it's a worthy investment for the right kitchen. It's an undermount design with no faucet holes, so you're free to choose your own adventure when it comes to that component. And there you have it, the top 5 best kitchen sinks that will take your kitchen to the next level. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below about which sink caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.